don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter. Nothing
Hey
matters,
guys,
so I
it's Keith.
cry
Welcome to my vlog.
I've been running circles, trying to catch my
In today's vlog, I'll be giving my new room a makeover.
everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue.
I'm thinking of moving my bed nearer to the glass door, and this wardrobe to the opposite wall.
I've been running circles.
With curtains installed, it should make this small area feel like a walking wardrobe.
I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath.
For anyone that finds this satisfying, high five.
I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
I swear installing the curtains are one of the most annoying parts. You guys have no idea how many trials and errors I had in order to get it even both sides. Initially, I was thinking of putting my laundry baskets here, one for the clean clothes and one for the dirty clothes. But having the table here with the mirror on top next to my bed just didn't seem right. So, I'm thinking that maybe moving the table here would look much better.
Shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned.
I feel like it definitely looks much better now. And I'll think of a way to fix this corner soon.